OG Nation.
Hey, man.
What do I feel like eating today? Let's go see what we got growing in the garden. Watch out, chicken, watch out. Looks like we almost got some tomatoes over there. Ain't quite ready. Let's see what we got going on over here though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that'll be a snack for the chickens right there. Another snack for the chicken. Them boys are overdue. That one, it ain't bad. Not yet. Nothing goes to waste back here. Let's pick some green ones and fry them boys up. That looks like a good one. That boy right there looks perfect. And it's a little bit bruised. Skip over that one. That one looks like she's ready to go. Snap it off the vine. Let's go feed these chickens. Here, chicken. Y'all know what time it is. Just splash on the ground. Smells a little fermented and funky. They love it. Got one more tomato to grab, then we're gonna get to the kitchen. Right there. I'll see y'all boys in the kitchen. After you get your tomatoes, now you need to get that thing all chopped up. After you got all your tomatoes cut up, get you some flour, some cornmeal, put salt and pepper, whatever you want in there. Get it all mixed up. Just dunk them boys down in there. You want to press them and coat them up good. Press down on them, make sure that flour stays in there good. Just drop them down like that. Just keep coating the boys up there. If you ain't pressing them, the flour ain't gonna stay good when you drop them in the fryer. If you want to, you can drop them in the egg and get them doubled up if you want. Keep dropping them things in that flour. Make sure you got your grease getting hot while you're doing this. Save you some time. Once you pull them out, just give them a shake in the bag and drop them down so you don't get that flour everywhere. Like that. Just wait till you fry it. When you're pressing down on them, it helps get that flour stuck in there so it don't come off when you do drop it in the grease. Or you can just use some eggs. You double dunk them with some eggs, it'll stick real good. It'll be extra thick too. It just depends on how you like the batter. Almost done, y'all. These little baby ones are what you call some poppers. You just pop them things straight in your mouth. I think that's all of them right there. Wash your hands. The flour gets stuck on you real good. This is how you see if that grease is ready. Get you a little piece of flour. Just bubbling and sizzling like that, you're ready to drop them things down. You get that? Drop it down in there. Load the pan up. Try not to burn yourself. Shouldn't take too long. You got that thing on high. It's good boy sizzling right there. You can already see it starting to float up. Just keep moving around so they don't get stuck together. Think about that, son.
They look good.
That's the fresh meal you can get. That's fresh out the garden right there. You go to Gus's, man. What they charging for that? Fried green tomatoes, $6.50 a plate. That's a free meal. The last one, last but not least. Kind of do a little wiggle around so it don't get stuck. Make sure you clean up your mess, y'all. Get the trash can. Drop all that good stuff in there so your mom ain't yelling at you. It can be messy. I try to keep it as clean as I can by doing everything in the bag, but you don't do it in the bag from that flour everywhere. Yes sir, them boys are crispy right there, son. All you need now, where's your dad? Get you some ranch. What's how I like to eat mine? Dunk that boy in there. Ooh, that boy's hot. Man. Hot. It's good though. How you do it though? You wanna make some good old fried green tomatoes?
OG Nation.
Salt.
Hey, man.
Nature, bro. Ain't nothing like me.